So guys, continuing with the last Yoast SEO plugin, we are going to continue this second stage. So what I'm going to do, I will first log in. I'm already logged in here, and the next one will be, and my student here is online, so just I'll teach him how to do this. So basically it asks what we will do. Okay, let's first go to home page. The home page is, it asks you are online, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So what we are going to do, let's take any page. For example, which page is there? This one, right?
Yes,
This
yes, yes,
is
yes,
the
sir.
page, na?
Yes,
This is one of the.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right. So just let's click here, and what we will do, we will check this page. The title is how to. The title is. So we'll start from the title. How tarot cards are helping in our love life, right? So this is the title. So the rule is this same thing, means whatever we have written here in title, the same thing should be here also inside our URL. Okay, in URL also should be same thing, right? And now you can see here. So yeah, so that is fine. The title and the URL both are same. Now if you talk about this heading tag, means it should start from h1 tag. So let's see whether this is h1 tag or not, because in one of the pages there should be h1 tag, right? So right click on this if you want to check this. Right click on this and inspect and check whether it has h1 tag or not. Okay, so no, this is h3. So Titas I'm sorry, Titas,
Yes, sir.
you can see, so there is one mistake. The mistake is one of the page, any one of the page, any page we take,
Yes, sir.
the heading should be h1 tag. All right.
Okay.
So the first thing is you have to change this to h1 tag. This is the
Okay.
first thing, and also this should match with your title.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
because title and this URL and heading tags should be symmetric. That is the rule.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
you have to follow that. So not only for this page, but any page you are going to work on, it should be in same line. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so that is the first thing. The first thing is title. Title is okay. The same thing should be here, means matching tag should be in h1 tag, and the rest of the tag should be h2 and h2 and inner tag should be h3. If there is any subheading, then in your case there is no subheading, so it will be h1 tag first and then h2. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, after this the next step is in the first paragraph, that is called focus keyword. Okay, focus keyword. In the first paragraph there should be the keyword, and our focus keyword is how tarot cards are helping in our love life. How tarot cards are helping in our love life. Okay, so this keyword should be here in your first paragraph. So that means what? That is missing in your case. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that is the first thing, and that should be bold.
Okay.
All right, now the next thing is
Okay. Yes, sir.